Hey there.
They're eating dandelions.
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah, that's beautiful.
dandelions are good. Oh, there's 3. Oh, isn't that just... You guys, look at that. Look at them. You've made my day. Hello. Hi there. Yeah,
They're admiring my trailer.
they are.
You guys want to go for a ride?
And they
Hop
know,
in.
and they know we recycle for animals. So
Yeah.
look, they're letting us
Oh,
know
I wish
that.
I could give them some food or
Well,
something.
why don't we just stop and just let's
go.
at them. Oh.
Good morning, my animal friends. It's Monday, long weekend, and I'm going to do some maintenance on the trailer. My youngest son helped me with it so far, putting up this nice rack, nice sides. Looks really good. Gives me more room inside. Big shout out to him. I forget his name now, but he's the youngest one of my boys. His name will come to me soon, but I just can't remember it right now. Anyways, I'm just kidding, of course. So I'm gonna put a couple uprights right here, and I'll let you see it when I'm done that part. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, my animal friends, I did some maintenance on the trailer. I greased the hubs. I put a couple uprights on here. Now I need some wire mesh to go right here, so I could use it as a ramp when I'm picking up heavy stuff, and fix my lights a little bit, make sure everything is safe, and that's about it. I cleaned up the inside. Oh, it's looking good. All I gotta do now is give it a paint job, and it'll look really nice, but that'll be for another day. Talk to you later. Thanks. Hey, animal friends, today we have a lot of pickups, about 16 pickups. We're gonna start off down this back lane here that our friend Brenda has given me some leads on some scraps. Thank you, Brenda, much appreciated. And we'll see you when we get at the scrap. Now, is this garbage busted?
I would say so.
Okay, well then we'll take it.
Okay.
This is not working for me. I gotta move this down here.
His new sides on his trailer. Wow,
Try to get
looking
used to it.
very nice.
Okay, rearranging a few things here. Things get thrown out pretty fast. Wall with the chair. Drill.
Building his wall.
Building a wall.
It's a little chilly out this morning. Whew. Now we can put his lawnmower in.
What do we have here? Watch your fingers.
We came down this street and look at that. We found a metal shelf.
Okay, come in. Let me watch what I'm going to do to this.
Okay. Show me what you're going to do. Wow, I can't believe how cold it is out.
Oh, somebody dropped a screw on the ground.
Oh no.
Look at that.
Oh. A what?
That's a flat tire asking to happen.
Oh. And now he's just going to wash.
Another one.
Uh-oh. They're coming from that.
Hey,
They're coming from that shelf. No?
maybe.
I think it is. Where else would it be coming from? Coming from the shelf. And there goes another wall. Part of a wall. I think that's good. I'm so proud of you. You're so organized today.
I know any other
You are so organized.
no.
Video.
I'm not. He's afraid I'm gonna take the phone.
Yeah. He's not giving up that boat.
Are you giving up?
Oh, you hit it over
Hello, sweetie. Hello, honey. Hi. Oh, there we go. Yes, that's nice for the video, eh? It sure is.
there. You're going to be on a video.
Oh, baby, as really. Oh, no, now it's gonna go.
Barbecue.
That is the barbecue.
Beautiful.
Turn
I
left
love
on
that
Bedford
barbecue.
Place.
There's a nice barbecue. Smile for the camera.
Okay.
Wow, this is a
Look at all
surprise.
of this.
Oh
I
boy.
could back up further now.
No. All right. So is it really worth it to cut off those cords?
Yeah.
Nice one. Ron Breland hopes this helps a little bit. Thanks for what you do for the animals. Oh, isn't that nice?
It sure does. Thank you very much.
That's really a
This is
really
very-
nice. Very nice.
This is the best scrap that we find. Is copper.
Oh, copper. I was going to say
Yeah.
brass, but
Well,
okay,
well,
copper.
There's brass in here also.
Oh, okay.
This is a very good pickup. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I think they're all good
Oh,
pickups.
they're all good. This is
I don't know what's in this pile. Oh, I can lift it. I'll go help him. You can save some steps. So he's going to cut the cord off that one. All right.
Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh.
Okay. Well, I think we have quite the load. Are we going to the scrapyard now?
Yeah, I think we better go.
I think we should go. Nothing's going to fall out.
I hope not.
Oh my goodness. Oh man. Okay. All right. Anxiety to the driving to the scrapyard and then anxiety going into the yard. There we go.
You've been working so hard and you've been such a help. I'm giving you this magnet. You have your very own extendable magnet.
And how do I know? I don't know how to use it.
Like this. That's plastic.
And if it sticks?
If it sticks, it's steel. If it doesn't stick, it's aluminum or copper or brass.
Hon, I'll tell you right now, there's no way I'm using that magnet. So that's just out of the question. So there you go.
You're the employee of the month.
Oh boy, I feel special.
Okay. On we go.
Okay. Okay, we're on our way to the scrapyard.
Full load.
Boy, do we ever. Hoping to see a deer that's eating and running or something. We just saw a dead one in the ditch. That's really, that's heartbreaking. I just do not like seeing that. I'm sure nobody does. But this guy's driving like a maniac. 42 kilometers and I can't see a thing. How am I supposed to see a deer if you're driving so fast?
You can see better if you're riding in a tree.
There's no room in there for me.
Oh, on the top there is.
Okay. Oh, here we are. It's so nice because this is our little piece of wilderness here. It's so nice to have this in the city. Just thought I'd give you a view down this road that we go. Okay. Now it's craziness, so signing off. Hey there.
They're eating dandelions.
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah, that's beautiful.
dandelions are good. Oh, there's 3. Oh, isn't that just... You guys, look at that. Look at them. You've made my day. Hello. Hi there. Yeah,
They're admiring my trailer.
they are.
You guys want to go for a ride?
and they
hop
know,
in.
And they know we recycle for animals. So
Yeah.
look, they're letting us
Oh,
know
I wish
that.
I could give them some food or
Well, why
something.
don't we just stop and just like let's look
Let's go.
at them. Oh. Aw, honey, look at that, how cute. Hey? Look at that, how cute. Oh,
Go catch one.
that is so... That's cute, cute, cute.
I'll give you $5 if you go over there and pet one.
Oh, look how cute. Oh,
She's stepping on that.
oh, no, she's... Oh, come on.
Oh, woke him up.
Oh, she knows I'm...
Yeah.
She knows. Okay, just stay here. Just stay here for a second. What is she going to do? I'm kind of curious to see what she's going to do. Oh. Oh, look at them. How sweet. Oh, my goodness me.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, okay.